Gingerbread cookies are a Christmas time tradition. In a bowl, sift 360 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, 1½ tablespoons of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of allspice, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons of nutmeg. Whisk the dry ingredients to evenly distribute the spices. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, add 126 grams of room temperature butter, 90 grams of brown sugar. Using a hand mixer, cream the butter and sugar. Scrape the bowl regularly. Add 1 egg white for crispy gingerbread cookies or 1 egg yolk for a chewy gingerbread cookie. Combine well. When your wet ingredients looks like this, add 160 grams of golden syrup. Mix well. Add the dry ingredients to the wet in 3 batches, mixing between each addition. When the gingerbread mixture looks like this, bring it together using your hands to form the dough. Separate the dough in 3 even parts. Cover with cling wrap. Place in the fridge to chill for an hour. Lightly flour baking paper. Place one of the chilled dough onto the paper, dust with flour and cover with another piece of baking paper. Roll to 5 millimeters. Lightly dust the cookie cutters in plain flour. Cut out your cookies and any leftover mixture can be re-rolled. Continue until you have used all your cookie dough. Place the cookies on a lined tray and put in your preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 8 minutes. For best results, only cook 1 tray of cookies at a time. Once cooked, let the cookies cool completely and decorate as desired. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.